Did you know there are thousands of free publicly available groups on WhatsApp? There are hundreds of niches represented, and you can join these groups, network with like-minded people, and share your content. But finding these groups can be very difficult because most of them require a personal invitation. So today I will show you how to find them. Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney, and listen, I know just how difficult it is to drive traffic, but over my 20 years experience, I have learned what works consistently. So to save you from the same years of struggle and confusion, I want to give you the traffic methods that you cannot get anywhere else. I'm going to show you how myself and my students have used these methods to drive large volumes of traffic to tiny niche websites for free. So stick around until the end and I will show you how to get that training for free. WhatsApp gets a massive 2 billion visits a month, and according to Backlinko, it has 2 billion active users worldwide. It's ranked as the most used mobile messenger app in the world, and more than 100 billion messages are sent each day. And the average Android user spends a massive 38 minutes a day on the app. And the app has grown consistently over the years. So if you are one of the few people who does not have WhatsApp installed, head over to whatsapp.com and choose your flavor. So you can get it for Android, iPhone, you can download it for Mac and Windows. And while you're here, click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any traffic opportunities. If you download the web version, you do have to have the mobile app installed and you do have to connect them together through a QR code, but it's a very easy process. So now you have WhatsApp installed on your computer, we can start using it for traffic gen. So I'm going to give you a few ways to use this. So watch all the way until the end so you don't miss out on any of the methods. Now, we will come back to the desktop in a second, but for the moment, let's head over to the App Store and let's search for WhatsApp Groups. Then you should find Groups for WhatsApp. Go ahead, install that. I've already got it downloaded, so I'm going to open it and show you how to use it. It's very simple. So as soon as you open the app, you will have a list of different topics. We also have a search field, so we can click on that and search for specific topics and interests. Let's go back to the home page. So here we have quite a few interests. If your interest is not represented, click this plus icon there. You can add your own group, which is a good idea because the activity on this app is pretty decent. So if you create your own group, chances are you're going to get some activity. You should be able to use it to drive traffic. But if your topic is represented and there's an adequate number of groups that you can join, well, just go ahead and start exploring all the different groups available. Let's go back to the desktop now. So head over to a site called whatsgrouplink.com and you're going to get a list of the latest WhatsApp groups, invite links. So here we have a whole heap of different interests, different topics available, and relevant groups that you can join. So it's structured by topics. So entertainment, if we scroll down, we can see Indian WhatsApp groups, USA groups, funny groups, offers. So this one could be right up my street. YouTube subscribers. If I click that link, and then I can go ahead and get involved in that group. Now, you might find that some of these groups are full. So digital marketing, if we go take a look at that, let's try and join it. It might block us. Okay, so there's already 257 participants, in that group. So that means I cannot join it. But this represents a good opportunity for you because we know that there's a demand for that topic. So guess what? If you create your own group and you have it listed here, chances are you're going to get a pretty sizable audience very quickly. So hopefully you can see just how powerful this method is. So how do you get your group listed here? Okay, go to the burger menu icon. Make sure that we have that selected. then click Contact Us. You'll be redirected to this page. So it's just a Google form. Fill in every field that it asks, leave nothing blank, and then in 24 hours, your link should appear on the homepage here. But before we continue to the next step, I have to make an apology. I am very sorry if I haven't been as responsive to my emails as I usually am. You see, my cat QWERTY, she's been fairly sick over the last week or two. She's currently having surgery, so a lot of my time has been spent going back and forth between the vets. But things are looking up, and fingers crossed she's on the mend now. So anyway, let's continue. So how do we find even more WhatsApp groups to join? Well, we can use social media, so we can use Facebook or we can use Reddit. Let's go to Reddit and then go to the search bar, type in WhatsApp group links. You're even going to find a dedicated sub to that as well, but you don't have to stick with that. So you can go to posts, browse through the list. You can also refine this even further if you want to. So we just add a modifier to the search bar. So we go marketing, and now we should get a list of WhatsApp marketing groups that we can join. We can also go to tumblr.com and type in WhatsApp group links again, click search, and now we'll find a whole heap of groups and links that we can join. Another WhatsApp group search engine is called realgrouplinks.com. There's a whole heap of listed groups right on the front page that will get the maximum amount of traffic available. And they have a whole heap of industries and niches and topics available here that you can just dive straight into. However, they also have this search bar, so you can type in a seed keyword and then get a list of relevant groups, and there's quite a lot available here. Once you've joined a group, it will look something like this. So here you will obviously be able to consume the content that people are sharing. You'll be able to share your own. If you want to leave a group, go to this icon there, click on that, and then click Exit Group. Now, to get your group listed on this website, click Add Group. Again, fill in all the details. Don't leave anything left blank, and then hit Submit Group. Now, what if you want to create your own group? It's really simple. Click this little icon there, then go ahead, click New Group. Now, you have to add someone to the group, so you might want to team up with someone or at least get their permission to add them to the group to get the ball rolling. But the thing with this or any other marketing strategy is you have to be consistent, because when you are consistent, you can achieve amazing results. Like Matt, he's made over $2 million thanks to my training. So if you want to know the secret and you want to see how he's done it, head over to profitcopilot.com/traffic, get that free training course, and you'll see how I got over 30,000 website visitors every day for free. Sure, WhatsApp groups are great, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. So let me give you some more traffic sources. Click here and go ahead and get them. And you can also get that free training course too. Thanks for watching. Take care.